how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I'm so excited to share something with you. Look at this. Ta-da! You see these beautiful lanterns? Very high-end looking, right? Guess what? The plastic one was just $5. And this beautiful metal, gray metal, it was only 10 with the candle already included. Can you believe that? This is Family Dollar, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how we can decorate these lanterns and also add a touch of lemons. Everybody loves the lemon decor, still crazy about it. 2 years since my most popular video, and they're still going strong, so I'm so excited to bring some new fresh ideas to you. Oh, by the way, if you love these type of videos, don't forget to give me a like, give me some of those lemon emojis, and also consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any of my future videos because you become my bestie. All right, let's get started for real. So here are my lanterns that I picked up at a Family Dollar. This one for the $10, and you had 3 choices: off-white, brown, and gray. I picked up the gray one. It's actually powered by the solar energy, so you can use it outdoors or indoors, and it comes with a beautiful flickering candle. Look at that. The second lantern that I got is cheaper. It's only $5, and it came in 2 colors, black and gold, and it's also powered by the solar energy. The flickering candle has a cooler tone to it. As I already mentioned, we will be decorating with lemons. If you're lucky, you find a 3-pack just for $1. Otherwise, the single ones are $1 a piece. They're a bit larger than the ones from the 3-pack, so that's worth it too. Hobby Lobby sells a bag of lemons for $5. You use your coupon, it's even cheaper. Target has a branch of lemons for $5 as well. In addition, we're going to be using some ribbons. You can get them on sale every other week at Hobby Lobby. Some greenery. Dollar Tree has plenty of greenery options, as well as Walmart, real inexpensive. And flowers. Whatever flowers you like, I recommend something white and yellow to go with our theme. We are going to decorate the first lantern with a tray, and we're going to use a foam disc. You get a pack of 2 for $1. First, we are going to attach the disc to the middle of the tray. The lantern will fit perfectly over it. Next, we are going to cut apart all the greenery. We are going to start off with the longer pieces like the fern, and we are going to insert one on each side to elongate our arrangement, just like that. And then remaining 2 pieces, one on each side, on the shorter side. Don't have to be that long. You can trim the ends and insert it at an angle. Feel free to make these permanent with the hot glue. When I make things for myself, I don't use glue because I often repurpose these. And here's a closer look for you if you like to follow me step by step. Next, we are going to make a bow. I cut 4 pieces of ribbon, about 24 inches long. I got my floral wire and a couple floral stems. This is what we're going to do. Layer the ribbon one on top of each other, fold it in half, make a loop about, let's say, 5 inches, pinch it, and we are going to tie it with a piece of floral wire. Really easy, just like that. Next, we are just going to fluff it up, just a single loop and 2 tails. And we are going to make a pick out of it. We will attach it to one of the floral stems. I like to reuse my old floral stems, as you know, but you can also purchase floral picks. You tie it with the floral wire that was in the back of your bow. Use a little bit hot glue so it doesn't slip off. And you got your ribbon pick just like that. We are going to make a second one. What's great about using a floral stem, it's bendable. I'm going to bend my stem and insert it in the floral disc, one on one side and one on the other side, diagonally across from each other. Next, we are going to add the second type of greenery. And again, trim the leaves, insert them at different angles, all across from each other and some on the side, fill in any blanks. And this is up close view for you if you like to follow me. Next, we're gonna be making some lemon picks. You simply insert one of the old floral stems in the back, add a dab of hot glue, and that way you're gonna have a pick. You're gonna be able to bend your lemon and insert it at different heights and angles. And that's a very easy trick to do that. I start off with 2. I later on decide to add some more, so you might as well make some extra now. And I'm going to insert one on each side, diagonally from each other. You see, I have the bows on one side and lemons on the other. Next, I have these little citrus branches from Target. I'm going to insert them closer to the lantern. As you can see, they're already picks for me, so makes it very easy. And I have 3, so we're going to insert them in a triangle shape. Next, I am cutting apart the wildflowers and I'm inserting them all around. The longer pieces on both long ends and shorter on both shorter sides. Next, I'm adding some green leaves in any empty spots, and especially by the lemons, they add a realistic touch, I think. Don't you think? Next, I want to add some yellow flowers, and I love these mums from Walmart, but look at this. Even though I usually check, I got cheated out of one flower over there. So I'm going to cut these apart. And I think the long stems are just so cool. I'm going to use them just like that. But if you like, you can cut yours shorter. And I'm not gonna let the green leaves from the bottom to go to waste. I'm going to cut them apart and also insert them here and there for some extra dimension. With these, you have to use a little bit of hot glue because they don't have a long stem. We are getting there. I think we need a little cherry on the top, and I'm gonna use the cute little gray butterfly. Next, you step away and take a second look at your arrangement. I realized that I think I need some extra lemons or maybe even limes over here. Once I'm happy with the look, I'm just going to attach these with some hot glue. Of course, they would fit better with the floral stem, but at this point I'm just impatient. So I'm just gonna add a dab in between, and here's the look at the final result. I hope you like. was tired and cranky, but quickly fell asleep in my arms. There's nothing more precious than a sleeping baby, don't you agree? Oh, Auntie is the zest, by the way. Have you noticed her t-shirt? I found it at Old Navy, if you're interested. Oh, let me show you how the centerpiece would look at nighttime. You cover that up and look at that. Gorgeous yellow glow that goes beautifully with the lemons. I can just see it for an outdoor table, for your backyard party, or even for a dining room centerpiece throughout the summer, right? I don't think anybody could tell that this was made on the budget, can you? And if you prefer real flowers and fruits on your table, you have to check out this lemon centerpiece video. I'm going to provide a link for you in the description box, as well as this lemon tablescape. Beautiful tablescape on the budget. Next, I'm going to show you a quick and easy lantern swag. All you need is some flowers from the Dollar Tree and a ribbon. First, you separate your flowers in half, 3 at the bottom, 2 at the top, for example, and you are going to attach this to your lantern handle, just like that on the side. Let's just get rid of that long, thick stem first, because that's gonna be in the way. We don't need it. Without the stem, you can actually even insert your flowers underneath the handle, fix up the flower stems, set them up on the side, and then just attach it to the handle with a piece of floral wire. Next, we are going to make a simple bow. Just measure a 12-inch tail, pinch it. Next, measure about 10 inches. We don't want the bow to be too big, overpowering. When you fold it in half, it's a 5-inch loop, pinch it. Another 10 inches, fold it in half, 5-inch loop. Let's make one more, 10 inches, 3 loops, maybe one more. Pinch. All together, 4 loops, and we're going to cut the tail about the same length. We're going to tie it together with a piece of floral wire. I love that ribbon pattern. It's beautiful contrast of black and yellow with the bees. And the only thing I have to tell you, the wire is not that strong here. It's kind of heavy ribbon for a poor wire, but it's only $2 on sale on Hobby Lobby, so you can't complain. I'm cutting the ends at an angle to cut the fishtails, and just a nice flowy bow, and we are just going to attach it here on the side of the lantern. Just use a floral wire from the back of the bow and tie it over there to the lantern handle. I don't like how these tails just hang there. The wire is poor. So here's an idea you can do when you have ribbon like that. You can use a little bit of floral wire, pinch your ribbon in the middle and attach it to one of your greenery pieces. And create like a nice loop and a shorter tail. What do you think? Much better, right? So again, you're just gonna pinch your tail somewhere in the middle, grab a piece of a floral wire, cut a small piece, pinch and attach to a stem over there. And then you can decorate your lantern even further. I have a cute little bee garden stake that I can attach here. Just insert in between the stems and add some glue. What else can you do? You can add a bird or a butterfly, whatever makes your heart happy. I also want to add some daisies and lemons. I make some lemon picks like in the previous tutorial, and that way I can hang them around the lantern. And, first I just play around with the placement, and then once I like it, how it looks, I glue it in.